Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. We are having a series of videos, Momentum Stocks. This is the fifth video in that series. Here we are just having a look at the high volume stocks. Having high volume in the latest week over the 20 weeks average volume and nearer to the 52-week high. This is the criteria we are using. Financials and the business of the companies are not considered here, only the charts are being seen. Please note. LG Equipment's weekly chart. Green candle with a good volume is visible here. That is the reason why we are just having a look at this. To understand the pattern of this correction, we will go to the daily chart. If you see the daily chart, one can see how it spent good time in consolidating in a range. Once breakout from this range happens, it will have momentum in the direction of breakout, breakdown or breakout. But we expect it to go up because of this green candle, high volume. If at all it is rejected at this level and it is coming back, entering nearer to this lower edge of this box will also be providing one opportunity of a better price entry. So one can add in small quantity. On breakout, addition may be done. Next one is the golden tobacco. Very high volume green candle is visible. We will just switch to monthly candle momentarily to know the previous high. Yeah, the previous high is somewhere 141 level. Now it is in 82 level. It has given a very good breakout and consecutive 2 months it is moving upwards. We will go back to the weekly. So here we may expect a small correction because here already in this zone it has spent some time. After breaking out from this zone, it may come to retest this level. So if there is a retest at this level around 65 level, it could be one better opportunity to enter. So we can wait for we will go to the daily also to have a look. Yeah, daily, see, it is 20%, 19, more than 19%, 10%, almost 10%. So continuously it is just rushing through the up move. It may not sustain and it may need to have some retest of this level, at least this level of 60 level, around 60 level, because here gap is also formed. And there is a concept that some traders believe that all the gaps will ultimately be filled. So it may revisit to fill this gap, may or may not. We cannot dictate the market. We have to adapt our strategies as per the market's tune. So we can wait for some dips and enter in this to get some benefit in the days to come. Next one is Indo-National. Nippo battery is the symbol for this. Consecutively 3 weeks it is giving a green candle with a high volume. But here some corrective action is taking place, which may be more visible if we go to the daily time frame. Yes, daily time frame we are able to see one red candle. So some correction is taking place now. It may take support at any level. Right from here it may go up or it may come and test up to this level, 1118 or something. What is the previous high? We will quickly go to the monthly to know the previous high. Previous high is 1449.5, almost 1450 level was the previous high. So ultimately it may go to this level. It may take a little retest to establish some good support here, because continuously it is running from this level. It may form a higher low type of formation here and then it may go again. That is the expectation from this chart. So one can take the entries depending on their risk profile. Next one is Mahindra Logistics. Very good high volume green candle has formed and it has broken out from the earlier high. Earlier high was 654 now it has successfully broken and it has went up to 806 and closed at 748. That means already some correction has started within this week itself. From the high it has came down a little, means it is a sort of correction. So now the expectation may be retesting this earlier high level. Earlier high was 654. So this level, if it is coming to retest, that could be very good level to enter. It may retest. It is likely to retest. Or if you because there is no much data here, this is a new listed company, it seems, because the data is available only from November 2017, there is no more information available here. So it is an all-time high zone, so it is likely to go up further because of the kind of volume we are able to see here, but at the same time it may retest and establish this as a very reliable support. This was the resistance so earlier, so now it is turned as a support, means it will retest to confirm that support. It may come up to this level also, 615 to 655, anywhere it may come and establish the support base, and then it may continue the journey upwards, which will be very good for us to enter. Next one is Shanti Gears, the Murugappa Group company. Very good high volume green candle is formed here. Earlier levels were broken out very nicely. This is the level. Earlier high was once attempt was made here, but it could not pierce that level of around 180 level. Now it has gone up to 204 and closed at 190. So it may take a little correction here. We will have a look at the daily to understand the correction. Yeah, within the day only some correction has taken place. Again it may come down and establish some support before started moving up again. So the earlier high level may be acting as a support, 180 level. So another 10 rupees it may fall, which may be very good opportunity to enter. Very good high volume is available for this green, so it is a good stock to consider. Next one is Centercom India Limited. This is a new thing, it seems. Only data from October 2020 is available. We will switch to daily time frame. Yeah, very good volume with the green candles with the very good volumes are visible. Earlier high is around 99, now it is almost near to it and closed at 96. It went up to 99 and closed at 96. But one thing I am observing here is it is basically a highly volatile stock. So one has to be very careful while dealing with such stocks, because all of a sudden due to high volatility it may move in any one direction with high momentum, which may wipe out the gains soon. Because see the wicks are very long here. Wicks are very long even on both direction, not only in the down direction. If you take this candle within a day, it is having a low of 76.65 and a high of 97.20. This kind of highly volatile stocks, one should be careful while dealing. Those who are not able to immediately note the momentum and take the trading decisions quickly may better avoid such highly volatile stocks. This is not a stock where one can enter and wait, and patiently after waiting one can book the profit, because the volatility is very high, the profit may vanish quickly also. Next one is Sterling Stools. Green candle with a high volume is formed here. Here if you see, it has not pierced the previous swing high. So now what happens here is, if we see this is the previous swing high and this is the previous swing low. Within this range only the movement is there. Even though the volume is high here, if at all I have to deal with this share, I have to trade in this share, means what I will do is I will wait for this to go above this level and on some correction to retest this level to make this as the support again, because earlier it acted as a support, now it has become a resistance. So again it has to be established as a support. For that it has to cross above this, come back and retest this level and bounce from here, which will make, or it may bounce from here, or it may just shake out and it may take support at this level or something. So if at all because the downtrend is still intact, I will not say the uptrend has started until and unless this level is crossed. Higher high has to be formed, again it has to come down, and that low should be higher than this low. Then it should turn up. Then only we can say that it has the trend has started changing. So I will better wait for this to go above this level, previous resistance level, come back to retest, maybe up to this level. Then after it is turning to the upward direction, that will be the time for me to enter in such stocks. The last in this video is Swan Energy. Very it is not green, too much green candle, of course, high volume candle, that is also there. We are having a look at the weekly chart only, but I see this as a rejection. I see this as a rejection. So this was the level where earlier notable resistance was there, that has been crossed but could not sustain and it got rejected, and the all-time high is there. But what is worrying me is, see, in spite of this much high volume, the previous week high is not breached on closing basis. If the closing is above the previous week high, my view of this may be different. But in spite of this much high volume, if it is not closing above the previous week high, I assume that this is some speculative movement. Normally in these videos we will not go for the financials, but this seems to be a rejection for me. So just I want to have a quick look at the financials as an exemption to our normal process. Swan Energy, return on equity negative, book value 35, it has gone up to 176, but this has been achieved only in this week. This is the latest high made, closing. Within the week only this happened. Debt to equity is higher, 3.48. So I am not that much convinced about this. We will see whether the sales figure supports any such movement. No, it is not encouraged. Interest is higher only. There is nothing for me to get attracted towards this. Profit before tax negative, net profit negative. What is here? I am not able to locate. Interest outgo is 108, means negative profit before tax and net profit. Borrowings is 3046. They may be doing something. I am not knowing the exact details, but things are not started reflecting in the balance sheet. That is what I am telling. Because capital work in progress is 1927 crores, fixed assets has increased, but that is out of the borrowings. We have to wait and see for some solid performance visible, at least from some quarterly basis level. There is a, see, earlier it was in June 2018, the quarterly sales figure was 612 crores. Now it is after this much period, it is 106. In between, it remained lower only. It has never retested that higher level achieved earlier. So I am not that much convinced. So my assumption that it is a speculative move seems to be correct. So in such stocks, it is better to avoid entry because it may not be worth spending our hard-earned money to be in such stocks with a highly speculative nature. Better to avoid such stocks. Hope this video is of some help to you all. We will meet again with similar such videos and some other videos also covering some company profile, price, volume, action and other things. See you soon with some other similar videos.